In this video, we will demonstrate the assembly process of our prototype. First, we have top cap, and then pulley and rod mechanism. We have shaft 1 and shaft 2, impeller, and shaft connector. For the assembly, first, install the top cap onto the pulley and rod mechanism. Next, fasten both parts securely using screw and nuts. Then, attach shaft 2 to the impeller. After that, connect shaft 1 to shaft 2 and secure the connection with screw and nuts. Next, install the shaft connector onto shaft 1. Finally, connect the shaft connector to the pulley and rod mechanism to complete the assembly. I will present the testing of the system. First, we test it using water only to observe the smooth flow and impeller movement. Then, we test it again using water with float to check for the performance under load. From both tests, we can see stable and effective the system is.